Hi guys. This is a tutorial on one of the most powerful and shocking apps which are able to turn your mobile devices into a PC remote control, where you can use your phone as a wireless keyboard to type something on your computer, or a mouse which can control your PC wherever you are. This is useful as a keyboard or mouse alternative if your keyboard or mouse is not working for PC. Step 1. Download and install the software on PC. Open your browser, and go to manect.com. Go to the download section, and then click on the download link button. Download the app for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, go to the folder that contains the installer file and double-click on the file to run the install process. And then follow the instructions on your screen. After completion installation, click on Finish button and then launch the app. Step 2. Install the app on your smart device. Open Google Play Store, search for PC Remote and install the app on your Android phone. Step 3. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Once it's done, open PC Remote app on your Android phone. Tap on Connect button. It'll display you a list of remotes you can select. Choose your PC. Now you are ready to use. You can use your phone as a mouse which can control your PC wherever you are. Or wireless keyboard which can type something on your computer. Even you can sleep your computer via phone. Thanks for watching this video.